Today I will share with you how I did the beak of my duck beanies. 25 rows for the beak that I close both sides, and now I will add those tail of yarn, fold it in half and fold it again to attach it in the middle like this. When the middle is attached, I will fold it on the side and do some matress stitch. So I will bring the yarn on the side and do my matress stitch. I don't sew a lot, just 4 stitch on each side, and the result is this. And in the back it looked like this. And after that I will attach that on my hat. The hat is 100 rows. The bow is 25 rows. I close both sides and attach it in the middle, as you could see on the picture. The eyes is 5 black and 10 blue. Thank you. Ciao ciao.